Hi learners, welcome to our channel Python programming. In this session, let's learn about some operations with tuples. Let's see how to access the elements from a tuple. Individual elements can be accessed using the index or position of that particular element. Similar to list, similar to string, the index of the first element is 0 in tuples. The index of the last element is n minus 1 if the tuple contains n number of elements. More than one element can be accessed using slicing. Access the single element, we need to give the tuple name and the index of the particular element inside the square bracket. For example, if the tuple T6 is having 5 elements, triple one, triple two, triple three, triple four, and triple five. Now the position of the first element triple one is 0. Index or position is 0. Hence to access triple one, we have to use the tuple name T6 and the position inside square bracket T6 of 0. Similarly, triple two is in position 1, triple three is in position 2, triple four is in position 3, and triple five is in position 4. T6 is having 5 number of elements. The last element triple five is at the index 4. If we print T6 of 0, we can access triple one. T6 of 4 will give us triple five. T6 of 10 will give us index error because tuple is not having any element in its 10th index. How to access more number of elements using slicing? Tuple name inside square bracket, we have to specify the begin position, end position, and the step value. For example, T6 is having 5 elements in it. If we access from 0 through 3, the elements accessed are triple one, triple two, and triple three. T6 of colon 4, in which we did omit the starting index, and so 4 minus 1 3. From the beginning of the tuple till 3, the index 3, the elements are accessed. T6 of colon, in which we omitted both begin as well as end indices, and so this comment will access the entire tuple. Here T6 of 0, 4, 2 will represent the begin index, end index, and the step value, and we are getting the output as triple one, triple three. Negative indexing is also possible in tuples. The index of the last element in a tuple is minus 1, similar to list. Here we have the same T6 as an example, in which we are having 5 elements, where the last element triple five is at the position minus 1 if we are considering the negative indexing. Triple four minus 2, triple three at minus 3, triple two at minus 4, triple one at minus 5. Updating the tuple. Is it possible? No. Since tuples are immutable, after creation, a tuple cannot be modified. For example, let us assume that a tuple T7 is having 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we try to modify the third element with a new value 100, the interpreter will raise an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. It is type error. Since tuples are immutable in nature, after creation, we cannot modify any element in it. Deleting element. Again, tuples are immutable. We cannot delete an element from an existing tuple. Let's see. T7 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let's use the keyword del to delete T7 of 2. Immediately, we'll be getting the type error. Tuple object does not support item deletion. Deleting the entire tuple is possible when deleting an individual element is not possible. We can use the same del keyword in order to delete the entire tuple. T7 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we are deleting T7 using the del keyword. So del T7 will completely remove T7 from memory. If we try to print T7, we'll get an error, name error. Name T7 is not defined because the tuple has been deleted completely with the help of the del keyword. Stay tuned. Happy learning.